matter very seriously. Just now today in the morning I got a call from my place there from the Deputy Commissioner that the government has already sent the big high power pump, 10 pumps. I think the Air Force have reached Guwahati. They have reached Guwahati and now they are going to transport this high power pump from Guwahati to the site. So I think by today evening the pump should be ready at the site. They will be pumping the water. But I'm very sure that most of the people will die because what I came to know from the local people who are there, when I called them yesterday, they said there are no chance of people there.
So how many people are stuck there?
I see the problem is that when these things happen, it is in the jungle. Nobody knows. And even those who survived, they ran away. They thought that since the mining was illegal, so they ran away. They thought that police will catch them or arrest them. So they ran away, except one guy whose relative was inside. So from there to his relative, they did not inform the police. They called relative. And from there they called the DC, and the DC sent the SP in the same day. By the time they reached. So the information was not given to the local administration. It was given direct to Assam. From Assam and Garo Hills, and then they sent to this place. So it took lots of time because it was not informed accordingly.
The NDRF is on the spot.
Yeah, and they have reached almost the same day, but because of the transportation, they reached next day in the morning. But NDRF, they have taken a very prompt action on this issue.
So what are the expectations? How you see the?
I think now before the central government did not take it seriously of sending the pumps, and now I hope with the new pumps coming, they'll be able to pump the water. But it'll take minimum, I think, 2-3 days to pump the water. And once the water is pumped, then we'll be able to retrieve the bodies, whatever position it is.